Welcome back to the channel, the home of daily Zontes deep dives, tutorials, and real-world ownership tips. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss the next guide. Today we're talking about something every 350E owner needs to understand, not just why you remove the panels, but why you remove them in a very specific order. The Zontes 350E is built like a layered shell. Every piece of bodywork overlaps the next, almost like armor plates. That means the order you remove them isn't optional, it's essential. Start in the wrong place and you'll snap a clip, stress a mounting point, or trap a panel that simply can't come out without damaging the one above it. Zontes designed the scooter to look seamless, and that seamless look comes from interlocking panels that only release when you follow the correct sequence. You always begin with the upper trim because it frees the tension on the midsection. Once that's off, the mid panels can flex safely without cracking. Only then can you reach the lower rear panels, which are locked in by hidden tabs you can't access until the upper layers are out of the way. It's like peeling an onion from the outside in. Skip a layer and everything fights you. Following the correct order also protects the wiring underneath. The 350E hides the ECU, the rear harness, the brake reservoir, and the ventilation channels right behind those panels. If you pull from the wrong angle, you risk tugging on connectors or bending the cooling ducting. But when you remove the panels in sequence, everything lifts away cleanly, giving you a clear, safe workspace. And the priority is simple: top first, then mid, then lower, then the inner structural pieces. That order keeps the clips relaxed, the wiring safe, and the panels intact. It also makes reassembly smoother, because everything lines up naturally when you reverse the same sequence. So yes, it takes a few minutes, but doing it in the right order saves you money, protects your scooter, and makes every maintenance job faster. Stick around for the full step-by-step removal guide coming up next, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss the next Zontes tutorial.
I'm coming for the throne.